In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eBay order discount promotions. This is a fantastic way to boost sales, attract more customers, and reward loyal buyers. Let's get started by logging into your account on eBay.com. If you're not already signed in, head to the site and enter your credentials to access your seller dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Sell button located at the top of the homepage. Clicking here will bring you to the Selling Overview section. This area is where you will manage your listings, sales, and promotions, and it's your main hub for maximizing your seller potential on eBay. Within the Sell menu, you need to navigate to the Marketing section. This is the key area where you can create and manage all your promotional tools. Promotions can range from simple discounts to more complex campaigns involving multiple items, and this section is designed to give you the flexibility and power to tailor those strategies to your specific needs. After you enter the marketing page, the next step is to click on Create Discount. This option will allow you to set up various promotional offers tailored to your store's objectives, whether you are trying to clear excess inventory, increase average order value, or simply entice buyers with attractive discounts. Now select Order Discount. This is the type of promotion that allows you to offer discounts based on the total amount spent by a buyer in a single transaction. It's a popular and effective promotion to encourage larger purchases from your customers. However, it's important to note that to access these marketing tools, you need to be subscribed to eBay stores. This subscription offers you a suite of tools to enhance your selling strategy further, such as access to marketing insights and additional customization options for your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are all set to establish an order discount promotion on your eBay store. These promotions not only help in moving inventory, but also in developing a loyal customer base who are excited about the deals you offer. Remember, crafting the right promotion requires a strategic approach. So take some time to experiment with different types of offers to see what resonates most with your audience. A well-designed promotion can make all the difference in standing out within the competitive eBay marketplace. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more e-commerce tips and tricks to help your business thrive on eBay.